Tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. Prayatna shaithilya anantya samapatibhyam. Asana is a posture. It is neither torturous nor laborious, but due to establishment in self-control and self-discipline, attains a blissful and comfortable physical position. The comfortable tuning with external world, both physical and spiritual, creates a miracle. Mind is floating free from provocations and the body feels comfortable. Thus, the tuning with occult system of nature mentally and physically is a divine experience. This is Ananta Samapatti, multiple congruence due to low provocations. Tato Dandvan Bhigataha. Once asana yogic speciality is established, the pain due to conflict disappears. Tasmin sati श्वास प्रश्वास यो गतिर्विच्छेदः प्राणायामः. Inhalation of air, oxygen, and exhalation is breathing. This is gas exchange at lungs. On inhalation, oxygen is absorbed at lungs and carbon dioxide is released for exhalation. Normally there are 15 cycles of breathing each minute, and the speed of breathing varies according to the need of oxygen. On physical stress, the breathing speed increases whereas the speed lowers at ease. Breathing is a phenomenon and wonderful system of life. Breathing is living and stopped at death. There are two intervals between inhalation and exhalation. One is Purak, the absorption of oxygen. The second is Rechak, release of carbon dioxide. Holding of breathing at any interval is Kumbhak, breathe stopped. This is breaking breath. The exercise not only improves vigor but purifies the gas exchange. Prolongation of Kumbhak is one of the ways to constrict vrittis. The breathing speed, when regulated, varies and withheld called pranayama. Pranayama is a breaking barrier to infuse stomach wind and sucked air. The holding and pushing stomach wind through Moolabandha, anal stretch, and sucked air causes stimulations to sympathetic and parasympathetic system of body. Therefore, purification to metabolism and arterial network. On practicing pranayam, one understands trinity of silences at breath. It is like Pranava, Om, the liberator of peace. बाह्याभ्यंतर स्तंभ्य वृत्तिर्देश काल संख्या भी परिदृश्यो दीर्घ सूक्ष्म. The purpose of pranayam is to infuse the prana and upon winds. The three Purak, Rechak and Kumbhak are calculated exercises. For example, Purak, pumping air up to the end of stomach. Rechak, evacuating entire air, and Kumbhak, holding breath as it is. Here body depth prolongation is time and a repetition is number. This is breaking speed and constriction. It is time bound and multiple practices to derive higher skill and stress liberation. Some yogis act of exhalation into inhalation, some inhalation into exhalation. Here there are still others given to the practice of pranayam. who, having regulated their diet and controlled the process of inhalation and exhalation, both pour their vital air into each other, they have understood the sacrificial worship. Bahyabhyantar Vishayakshepi Chaturtaha. The pranayam can be performed four ways. The first is inhalation and holding breath. The holding standstill occurs. This is internal standstill and breathing speed. The second is exhalation and holding rechak. This is external holding and breathing speed. The third is calculating the length of breath and space occupying inside outside body. Number of cycles of breathing. The fourth is rejecting breathing outward and holding to establish breathless life. The fourth pranayam is said to be the prejudice killer, a donor of new vision and competence in meditation. Tatah Ksheenate Prakashavarnam. Study of pranayam enlightens and modifies the observational vision as if the covering on illumination is weakened and the wisdom is brightened. Dharanasu cha yogyata manasaha. Retention of any subject or subjects at mind is dharana, and compatibility of mind to retention can be established and must also be established. स्वविषया संप्रयोगे चित्तस्य स्वरूपानुकार इवेन्द्रियाणाम प्रत्याहारः. When the sense subjects are no longer with sense organs, the mind is detached and clear. Behaving like clear mind is withdrawing organs from the objects of sense. This condition is pratyahar. Withdrawal from senses is pratyahar. Tatah parama vashyatendriyanam. The pratyahar is withdrawal from senses. This provides excellent control on organs.